United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Article 214, Enforcement with respect to pollution from seabed activities. States shall enforce their laws and regulations adopted in accordance with Article 208, and shall adopt laws and regulations, and take other measures necessary to implement applicable international rules and standards established through competent international organizations, or diplomatic conference to prevent, reduce and control pollution of the marine environment arising from or in connection with seabed activities subject to their jurisdiction, and from artificial islands, installations and structures under their jurisdiction, pursuant to Articles 60 and 80.